Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again.
Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm cooking taco salad, and this is all my ingredients that I'm adding with the tacos. I used to like to do 2 rolls of ground beef because I like leftover, and 2 packets of taco season. It's my taco shell, shredded lettuce, cheese, and I like this it's still cut up onions, and you know, for the topping I like to buy this already cut up. It's called pico de gallo, and this is I might do this for my salsa. I like this is very good, curry sauce, and also you guys refried beans. So this is every ingredient that I added with my taco salad. So now what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and brown my ground beef. So yeah, tacos. I have had taco salad in a long time, you guys. So this is what I'm having for dinner. Okay, you guys, so I'm frying my ground beef first, and then this is some extra seasoning that I'm gonna put in my ground beef. Also chop onion after my ground beef get done. Okay, you guys, so now my ground beef, all my seasons ready, and instead of using water, I'm going to use the beef stock to keep the flavor. And I'm going to show you guys how I pour that. Keep the flavor in. Then I'm going to add my 2 packets. Oh, I'm going to add my onions and my garlic next. Okay, you guys, so I put my onions and stuff in it. So, and that's about 1 teaspoon of garlic. So stir it up, and then I put my taco season. And this will be ready. And again, like I said, my taco salad is really ready. Next time you will see the video is when I'm eating it and preparing my taco salad. Okay? Alrighty. This part is just gonna be the cooking. How I cook my taco salad. So you guys will get it'd be 2 video. So this video is how I cook it, okay? So yeah, this be how I cook it. So the second video that I will post is how I eat my taco salad. Alright, you guys. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, so now I put my season. And it is ready. Mix all my seasons up together, okay? Alrighty. Now my meat is ready. The season all seasoned now. And you guys, this is all my topping for my taco salad. That's the cheese. 2 different sauces, olive, chopped pepper, refried beans, all this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and build my salad, you guys, all right? So I'll spread the beans. I'll put my meat. Oops. Put my cheese. Some of this. Just spread it. Put my lettuce. My tomatoes. And I add some more onions with the red onions. And this is more quicker, guys. These is already chopped up, as you saw it. Okay, I love onions. Put some olive. I love black olive. These are some little jalapeno in a can. Just sprinkle some on top. And look good, don't you guys? I look so good. Wow. Very advertising. Okay, I like this salsa. I'm gonna put some of this salsa on mine. So just spread it around, just like that. Then I might put some in a little cup. That. Ooh, that's spicy. Then I put a little more cheese on top. And last thing is my sour cream. I know it. That's it. That's my taco salad. There we go, you guys. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show now what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if you already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And this your first time watching my cooking video, share with your friends and family as well. Show them what's cooking in my kitchen. Subscribe if you don't mind. like, thumbs up, and share with your friends and family as well. By that being said, you guys have a blessed week, and be safe out there, you guys. And also, if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure that you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. Alrighty, so I'll see you guys in the next upload video. And the first couple of video is I'm showing you. The first one I will show you how I eat my taco salad. And then I might not, because you guys saw how I cook it, so that's going to be too much, you guys, okay? So hope you guys make this taco salad. It's very, very filling. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this video. Until next time, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye.